So let's go ahead and spend a little bit about talking about operations management. So operations management, let's draw out some of those primary components: a hard drive, for example, network switch, servers, external storage. All of these components all produce operational strength, right? They're producing some sort of log file, management file, volume, system, lots of good information that we use to manage our environment. So we've got server profiles, for example, or we have storage, volumes, or interconnects, whatever it is. Now, how do you do that in a disconnected cloud infrastructure, even if you're just co-locating somewhere? So let's go ahead. These are the primary components here, often referred to as a converged system. So let's draw out the cloud here real quick before we get to there. So what are we doing with this geo-dispersed infrastructure, this cloud or colo, and how are we managing these resources and all of this equipment that's going everywhere? It's driving a lot of people crazy. So what we're going to talk about today is how to do that with certain technologies that are out there that you need to ask for and make sure you're asking for those. So again, we've got compute, cloud, things of that nature, all of those things, whether it's colo or cloud, or whether this whole system here is called a converged system. Whatever it's being called today, it doesn't really matter. The bottom line is we have to be able to manage it and manage it efficiently. So how do we do that? Well, we build a service bus type of infrastructure that allows for us to listen in the environment. So let's draw this out, report out to a CMDB, and build so that we can aggregate these logs and intelligently gather information related to them. So let's draw out here a service bus, and then let's draw an ear here. I know it's not a very good drawing, but now let's listen for changes that are occurring within the interconnects, the storage or the servers, or even the geographically dispersed information. Let's all feed that down onto the service bus so that everything within the environment knows what's going on, and more importantly, we know what's going on inside of the CMDB, so we can make intelligent decisions of and based on our environment. And what does this run on? A RESTful API. So if your operations management strategy does not include RESTful APIs that can listen and report into a service bus, you're going to spend a lot more time than you want to gathering this information and consolidating it. So what does this give us? It gives us ability to do decisions, take actions, and add functionality to our geo-dispersed environments.